Presenting newly launched Boult Audio AirBass ProPods X TWS earbuds in red. These are also available in white and black. The box contains the earphones, charging case, extra pair of ear tips, charging cable and user manual. They come in a size of 9.6 into 8.5 into 3.5 centimeters and weighs 90 grams. These wireless earphones come with touch controls. Enjoy extra bass with the inbuilt micro woofer. The auto pairing feature ensures easy usage. These provide a playback time of up to 8 hours for every charge, with a total playtime of up to 32 hours. It boasts of features like an inbuilt microphone and voice assistant. The IPX5 water resistance makes them suitable for the gym or exercising. This product comes